I start by making the peperonata. It's very easy. I put a little olive oil in the pan and add 1 thinly sliced red onion, orange and red bell pepper, a little salt, and I cook it down for about 9 or 10 minutes until the vegetables are soft.
The peperonata is very popular in Italy, and they make it everywhere. And we're gonna add a little bit of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of capers for a little zing. The peperonatas usually have a little bit of a bite. And a little balsamic vinegar. When it reduces down, it makes it slightly sweet, so it's really good. We'll do 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, a little bit of salt, and some basil right on this. And it takes about, I don't know, like 10 minutes or so to cook down the peppers. We're just gonna rip the basil right over the top. And you wanna do it like medium heat. All right, we're gonna let that cook down a little bit. I'm gonna prep my chicken cutlets. So, we've got just some plain chicken cutlets that I pan sauteed, and I just wanna slice them so that I can put them in my bread. Okay, we've got a ciabatta roll, cut it in half. I like to take out some of the breading inside, because I don't like it when the panino has too much bread inside. Let's see how this is doing. And we're gonna put some peppers on both sides. So both pieces of bread get a little peperonata. And we're gonna grab 2 slices of provolone. I like the provolone because it has a nice sharp flavor, so it works really well with both the peppers and with the chicken. And then we just go like this. You can just do this, or you can do it on the bread. Either way works. And then you grab our little panino, put it on there, and then just wait a few minutes for it to grill up. Here we go. Look at that.